This is Lenovo Tab Plus, and today I'll show how you can fix hacked system issues on this device. I recommend that you begin by launching the Google Play Store app, then make sure to sign into your Google account, which I will quickly do off camera. So here, inside the Google Play Store, tap at your profile picture, then open the Play Protect and perform a Google Play Protect scan. And if this tool will find any harmful or malicious apps, it will let you know about it and also provide you with the coherent steps on how you should proceed or on how you should terminate those threats. You can also check for available security updates by launching your system or your device's settings, going into security and privacy. Here look for the system and updates, and first check for system updates, and if there are any updates, make sure to install them. So download and install, press this button and allow this process to finish. And you can also check for security updates in particular, and Google Play system update. What you might also want to do is to download some third-party antivirus app or antivirus solution. For example, Avast app should do its job just fine. If you know any other apps or you prefer any particular antivirus app, you can go for it, no problem. So here's the app that I am usually recommending, not so recommending, just showing you as an example. You can always install it and just follow the instructions you'll see inside the app on your screen. Since those instructions are pretty easy to follow and pretty simple in general, so I do not expect you to run into any problems whatsoever. And we'll use this app to run an antivirus and security scan to check your system for known viruses and for known security threats or breaches. And well, as far as this video goes, that will be it. Should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.